Oo, para at least makapag-position ka. Eh, para may rally ka ba?
First position of PPU, it's Biray. Nice pass to Salgoste. Bay. Nice defense on UST. Step out rebound. Now Bulanan. Bay. Stay step. Too strong. Rebound again on Steva. 10 seconds to shoot. Bulanan. 5.
Shooter yan! Shooter!
24 shot clock violation. This 24 shot clock violation.
Tayo yung kapila export.
Biglan niya.
Pang-foul po siya.
Okay.
Bulanan. Nice pass downside. In and out. Rebound again at you.
Nagamit siya ka.
Biray. In and out by Biray. Rebound top. Now UST running gun. It's last chance on UST. 7 minutes.
Hey. Okay.
Isusyo na naman.
Salagoste. Time to shoot.
No, naman. Dungan daw.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anderson!
8 na sila.
10 to shoot!
Nabili siya rin. Hindi 8 na pas tayo siya.
Short!
Kada sa badlit?
Dili.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Pag-score si 5. Last thought.
Foul! Foul on number 10 on Bulanan.
10 bulan.
Foul?
Ang bulan ng first pa.
Wala na, first foul.
15 pa.
Foul po na.
Foul! Last chance on FU.
Every count at 2 points. So, get it. 10 na sila.
Okay.
Add mo lang.
6 minutes. Bulanan. Esteva. Back to Bulanan. Nice pass outside. Whoa! I move now 8 to 2. It's a 6-point lead on FU. Salagoste. Biray. Back to Salagoste. It's Anderson. It's too strong. Now rebound on UST. Bulanan. Nice. Killed him. Let it fly. Killed him. 10 to shoot. 5. Rebound. It's FEU ball. FEU. It's still 8 against 2. 6-point lead FEU. First quarter. Our second game. Anderson. Salagoste. Killed him. Back to Salagoste. Drive. Nice pass. Whoa! Now 10 to 2. It's a 8-point lead on FEU. Now Bulanan. He's still on. Let it fly. Killed him. Welcome back. Love 2. Same ball. It's foul on number 15. On FEU. It's second team foul on FEU. Still on Binay. Anderson. It's foul. Foul on Bulanan. His second team foul on UST first.
Balo. Balo.
Team number. Ito yung dapat number. Elite number.
Dere.
3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Kalimil na! Puntahan lang ako. Ay, baka yung may pupuntahan ako.
13-2, 3 minutes. 14-2. Bulanan. Foul.
Kaya ba?
Foul on number 9 on Salagoste. It's first on Salagoste. Third team foul, FEU.
Right. Kaya ba? May pupuntahan lang ako.
13-14, 3-14. Now 14-4. It's a 10-point lead now, FEU. Bado. It's still 2 minutes and 55 seconds, 14-4.
Halos parehas lang ang kulay eh.
Now it's Keldon. Let it fly. Keldon now, let it fly. It's same ball. Salagoste. Then to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 15 on Bado. It's second personal foul against Bado. Warning for penalty, FEU.
Bado. Second personal foul.
2 minutes. Foul. Foul again on number 10 on Bulanan. Second personal foul on Bulanan. Third against UST. 13 foul. It's third team foul. One minute and 50. Biray. Rebound on Bado. Bang! Nothing but net from Salagoste. It's 1 minute and 35 seconds, 16-4. 12-point lead FEU. Short. Rebound on Bado. 2-1. And selfish pass coming from Anderson to Biray. In and out. One minute and 12 seconds. One minute. Salagoste. On Salagoste. 18 against 4. 55 seconds. Short. 40 seconds. 35. Let it fly. Keldon. 20 against 4. Nice move, in and out. Second time around. Short. Rebound on, let it fly again. 10 seconds. 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Oh, it's Bado.
Yun yung running.
Running dapat yun.
Patay tayo.
22 more, 22-4. Second quarter left.
Uy, dito naman nasa ginagawa natin, Keljen.
Hindi, third pa.
Bugal. Bulanan. Miscommunication now on USD.
Balik mo agad, balik mo.
Anderson.
Nice one.
10 to shoot.
Now,
Short.
nice shot.
Now rebound Bado. 14 sa saklat. Anderson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Anderson. Still down, Shutter. It's Anderson. Anderson pass to Salacoste. Galing kay Bulanan. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Ray Bulanan. His third personal foul on Bulanan. First against USD.
Ay, point guard. Wala yan.
Time to shoot.
Keljen, pagod ka na.
Now 6 to 25. Short air ball coming from Let It Fly, Kelvin. Barroga. Yoyumu. Foul. Foul again on Bado. It's third personal foul on Bado first. Against FU.
Boss, ba't kayo mag-stop kasi nakalaro na lahat? Pwede?
Usap kayo. Kung gusto sila. Walang problema. Ako,
Ilan tayo magtanggal?
isa.
Isa lang.
Air ball. Rebound. It's USD ball. USD.
Ikaw, dahan-dahan ha.
Bulan. Baroga. Move. Wow. Again. It's 10 seconds to shoot. Bulanan. Oh, and a pass from Bulanan to Costello. 8 against 25. 17-point lead now on FU. Kelvin. Short. Bado again. Oh, what a strong finish coming from Bado. Guyal. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, Guyal. 27-11. Romero. Bado. Kick out pass. It's Anderson. In and out. Rebound again on Bado. Yes, on Bado. Right place and right time. Coming from number 15, Bado. It's foul. Foul on number 11 Anderson. It's person Anderson. Second team foul FPU. Bulanan to Goyal. Second time around. Goyal. Bang, bang, bang. 29-14. Foul on number 77 on Barroga. It's person Barroga. Second team foul against UST. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Let it play, Kelvin. Romero, what a pass. Kick out pass. Alagoste fake. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound on Barroga. Goyal again, third time around, short. Rebound on Romero, it's dangerous now. Romero is smiling. Romero! Bang! 31 against 14, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. It's FPU ball, FPU. Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anderson!
Oriental. Tatlo na ata.
Wala sila.
2 minutes! Coachero! Ah, nice defense on let it fly. Let it fly, let it fly. Nice defense foul. Foul on Goyal. It's person Goyal. 13 foul UST. 1 minute and 54 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Tapos na yung laro.
Block by Coachero. Top. Nice defense on the UST. Now Barroga. Right by Romero. Barroga now. Barroga! Shot! Rebound by Goyal. Balunan. Now it's 2-3. Nice pass. Goyal make. Sinanatagin ng Goyal. Top. It's Salagoste. 1 minute and 29 seconds. 34. Against 14. Bani Costello.
Sino kalaban?
Kompleto pa ata.
Last 2 ah, last 2.
Isa pa. Oh no!
Salagoste. To Anderson. Oh, what a great ball from Anderson. It's 36 against 14. 1 minute. $54 seconds. Rebound by Romero. Salagoste. 1-1 by Goyal. It's Salagoste. Too strong. Rebound on Esteva. 35 seconds. Seconds.
Pinagpala kasi mga bata na may... Hindi na lalo. Oo, may laro sila. Hindi sa...
Time to shoot. 20 seconds, 20. It's traveling violation on Barroga. It's 20 seconds. Warning on Barroga for continuous complaining. 16 seconds. Rebound up is Costello.
Once it's counted.
Basket not count. As to reposition. Basket not counted.
Bawas ko din sa right.
Basket beater.
Turot ko. Ang lapitan. Kasi wala na.
Gawin mo na yung bawas ng amo.
Yun, tapos sila. Pag binibigay ulit ng mga kung sinimimik ka, simula na sila. Yan ang balas ulit. Baka magbigay
Kano
mo.
ba pang salam?
Hindi.
Kano ba?
Bawas tayo sir, UST, bawas tayo konti. Balance natin, balance.
Bawas ng buhay, rubukap.
Ito na ba ibibigay?
Ilang kayo, FU? Ayan.
Ulit naman silang bumoto ng iba.
Coach Jello. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Guyal! 36-17. Too strong. Nice defense by Uno. Coach Jello. Guyal again, fake. In and out, top, Barroga. Now it's USD ball, it's USD. Now Isidoro. Still again on USD. Barroga, coast to coast, Barroga now, it's Barroga. Rebound on Melastas. Surata, fake. Oh, now 38 against 17. It's a 21-point lead on FU. Air ball. Now Sureta. Guarded by Guyal. Uno. Drive, side step. Uno time. Rebound by Barroga.
Down.
Now Barroga. Coach Jello. Guyal. Again, 3-point shot. Too strong. Rebound on Castillo. It's miscommunication again on FU. 38 against 17. Guyal, guarded by Uno. Now Coach Jello, Termanes. Rebound top. Now Isidoro is foul. Foul on number 30 on Coach Jello. It's first on Jello. First team foul on UST. Uno. Same ball. 14% shot clock. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Uno! On a move, coming from Barroga. 1941. Castillo, let it try. Too strong. Rebound up. It's now Coach Jello. Guarded by Manalastas. 1-on-1. Castillo, Jello. Jello now fake. Looking for Barroga. Guarded by Uno. It's Barroga again. Barroga dumping Barroga. Barroga now looking for Manalastas. It's foul. Foul on number 22, it's Manalastas. It's person FPU, first personal foul on Manalastas. 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Time out on FPU.
Ayan ka. Lalo po, pre, papagod naman. Ayaw po.
Pinagkakabalahan mo ba?
4 minutes!
Ano yan? Chupi, chupi!
Castillo! 3-2. Castillo! Hangsa! Castillo!
Oh, 1-2. Ay, tutuwan. Ikaw mo na, Justin.
Ikaw na ako ka namin. Kulingkuran na.
Foul on number 21 on Castillo. Second team foul on FPU, first on Castillo. Remanes. Barroga, 10 seconds to shoot. Now it's Manalastas. Castillo. Looking for uno. Air ball. Tap. Isidero. Takes the pass. Uno again. Uno drive. Oh no! Nice pick. Second personal foul on Manalastas. Third. Against FPU. Castillo. Uno. Barroga. Navial. Gusjelo. Back to Guyal. Open jump. Guyal. Short. Rebound by Uno. It's Surreta. Jump ball. FPU ball. FPU.
Nekat? Lord na?
Team.
Bakit wala ba si Coach Pinabel?
Wala.
Hindi nga coach sa inyo kayo.
Si Coach Isidoro. Si Coach
Castillo. Nice pass. Outside. Manalastas. Ang pass from Castillo. Stepping on the line on FPUSD. Back-to-back turnover on USD. 2 minutes and 15. 2 minutes. And to shoot.
Sunlang.
Now Cusjelo. Airball. Surreta. Baseball pass to Uno. Uno now. Uno. It's hesitation pass to Manalastas. Coming from Uno. 47-19. Now it's a 28-point lead on FPU. Jello. Tremanes. Short. Rebound by Castillo. Again, Uno. 2-1. Uno. Nice pass to Isidoro. Now 49. Against 19. 30-point lead on FPU. Gusjelo now. Steal by FPU. 1, 2, 3, 1. 51. That's 19. Bang, bang, bang on Guyal. 22-51. Now Guyal have 5 out of 8 to the 3-point shot. It's Castillo. Manalastas. Back to Castillo. Castillo black. Wow.
Ingat.
It's second team foul on UST. 38 seconds. 38. 52-22. It's 52-22. Two out of two coming from Castillo. 53-22. 25 seconds. $20 seconds.
Wala, hindi na kaya nag-training. Huwag tayo training, dami yung shot.
Guyal.
Point.
5 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Costello! Fourth quarter, ready na, fourth quarter.
Dito sumuta. Open ako.
FAU ball.
Ilan ba kayo?
Last quarter, last quarter.
Yung team leader na yun.
Kita nyo, di ba?
Dalawa
Hindi
siya.
ka hirap wala ko kung ano ko kasi pag nawala.
Binya.
Kita kasi sasagtag ka sa mga malaki dyan yung baroga. May mababala ko mo tulo dyan.
Surata. Baro. Now Anderson. Viray. Surata. Nice pass as a pass to Kelvin now. Where you Kelvin still now. 10 seconds to shoot. Viray. Side step. Drive. Looking for still now on the view. Now Costello. Stop up. Second time around. Short. Costello again rebound. Third time around. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Jaro!
Kabayan niya namamaril.
Nag-back to back na siya, oh.
Steal again on USD. Costello again. Short. Now Anderson. Viray. Fake. Try. Viray. Let me do it short. Now Costello. 3-on-2. Looking for Esteba. Back to Costello. Esteba Sureta. It's USD ball. USD.
Hindi, papagkantan niya si Jeje.
Esteba.
Siya daw nagturo ng Jeje.
Steal on Viray. Anderson.
Nasa 3-point gusto.
Gusto malayo eh.
Air ball. Short.
Nice one, boy!
7 minutes.
Munti na lang. Lalim. Next one.
Air ball. Now Baroga. Hesitation pass out by Baroga. Now Viray. 4-on-3, 5-on-2. Viray. Short. Hindi ba top by Balo? Sureta, let me try. Bang! Mali! Sureta. Steba. Barroga! Well, move by Barroga now, 30 to 26. It's a 26-point lead on FEU. Foul. Foul on Bulanan. It's fourth personal foul against Bulanan first. Against UST. Foul now. 5 minutes!
Grabe ka mo dong.
Anderson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anderson. Bulanan. Naras by Miray. It's foul. Foul on number 36 on Miray. It's first on Miray first. Against FEU. Substitution rep. Salagos pa in. Now Anderson now. Wala pass coming from Bulanan to Barrogas. 32 against the 59. Mendoza. Now 34 to 59. It's a 25-point lead on FEU. Top, Salagoste. Barroga.
Sab! Wala sab!
Substitution rep, Piray out. Isidoro in. Isidoro.
Coach Alex, mga 1 minute 30 seconds.
Nice pass. Bado to kill them connection. 61-34. It's 3 minutes.
Titira lang. Practice yun.
Now Keljem, let it fly. Let it fly, let it fly. Nasa selfish pass to, oh, short! Sureta. Now Sureta. May move by Sureta. Mendoza. Bulanan. Now Esteba. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Baru. Salagoste. Wow, it's Salagoste. 65-34.
Na! Kasya pa yan.
Sabret. What a pass coming from Barroga to Ostiolo. 1 minute. 55 seconds.
Wala pa din.
Dalawa naman yung bago ko.
30 seconds. Scooby-Doo. 20. Alang shot coming from Bulanan. 36-69. 15. Top 10. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Nulo! And now for